Picture this. You're not just trading, you're trading with a twist. Imagine having a secret weapon at your disposal that gives you the upper hand, predicting market moves like a wizard, predicting the next plot twist in a fantasy novel. Now brace yourself for this. We're not talking about ChatGPT's crystal ball readings here, despite the AI buzz that's been taking over the town. In the world of trading, AI has been brewing something impressive, like a mad scientist in a lab. And guess what? Here at Income Nomad, I have been keeping an eagle eye on this AI revolution for the past couple of months. And boy, I do have a revelation for you. I've stumbled upon a tool that's so mind-blowing good. Even the brainiacs at TradingView have slapped it with the editor's pick sticker. Wait. Before you start imagining a robot dressed as a Wall Street tycoon, let me set the record straight. We're talking about a serious tool here, one that's powered by AI and can predict market moves like Sherlock Holmes predicts culprits. But here's the kicker. It's not just AI for the sake of AI. It's AI tailored for trading, a match made in digital heaven. Ready to dive into this AI-infused trading universe? First stop, TradingView. Yep, you heard it right. That's where you'll find the magical indicator we're raving about. Search for machine learning logistics regression and voila, you're on the right track to trading enlightenment. Quick tip. Save this golden nuggets to ensure you've got it whenever you need it. We're all about making sure you're never caught without your trading sidekick. Now comes the fun part. Adding the AI mojo to your chart. This isn't just any AI, my friend. This is like Tony Stark meets Stephen Hawking kind of AI. It crunches data faster than you can say bull market and spits out predictions and could make your head spin. It's all thanks to a trick called logistic regression, a fancy name for the AI's way of saying, I know if that price is going up or down. Hold up though, don't let those pink and blue labels confuse you. They're like GPS for your trading ship, telling you where to buy and sell. But wait for it, the default settings are like those off-the-rack suits. Not exactly tailor-made for everyone. We're not looking for a one-size-fits-all here. We're looking for that perfect fit. So let's tweak a few things to make this AI suit hug you just right. You know, AI is like the Usain Bolt of computing. It's lightning fast. And guess what? This indicator is no different. It's all about processing loads of info faster than you can blink, thanks to the magic of machine learning. But enough with the tech lingo. Let's make this AI dance our tune. Remember that time when you were a kid adjusting the seat in your dad's car to reach the pedals? Well, it's kind of like that. We're going to adjust the settings not for your hey, but for your trading style. We're talking medium term here, so bump up the look back window to 7. Trust me, it's like putting on a pair of glasses that bring the market into focus. Hold your horses, we're not done yet. There's a sneaky filter in the mix that acts like a bouncer for your trades. It keeps out the roady ones, that choppy market signals that just want to crash your trading party. Set that filter to both and watch it work its magic. Oh, and speaking of magic, did you notice that label at the end of the candlestick? It's like the AI's way of winking at you, telling you the current win rate. Sure, you can't turn off the brightness of the text. I've tried it before, but you can always change the background color to be Sherlock level observant. Did you say 70% win rate? Yep, that's what this AI powerhouse has been flaunting lately. It's like batting 7 out of 10 home runs. Now, keep in mind, these stats are as changeable as the weather, so don't take them as gospel truths. enough with the theory. Let's get down to business. For that, if you're looking for a really good exchange platform to trade on, I highly recommend to trade on Bybit. I don't want to make it so long. I previously made a completely dedicated session, a video about it. You can check the link down in the description. But if you're using my affiliate link down in the description, you have the chance up to winning up to $35,000 worth of USDT. And here's a proof to that. Previously, one of my subscribers did it and won 10,000 USDT. So what are you waiting for? Give it a try. Maybe it's going to be your lucky day. Think of this indicator like your wingman for entries. But every superhero needs a sidekick, right? Enter Lorentzian classification by J.D. Horty. I previously talked about it in my previous videos about AI. You can check it out there. It's your trusty compass for trend direction. Picture this. It's like having Gandalf whispering in your ear about which way the wind is blowing. But don't go all in just yet. We've got a simple strategy that's like a cool breeze on a hot trading day. You wait for the kernel to change states, just like waiting for your popcorn to pop. If it's red, well, that's the signal for a bearish trend. And here's where it gets interesting. We wait for the first indicator to give a sell signal. It's like waiting for your date to call you back. Once the stars align and you've got that sell signal in hand, it's showtime. Start your trade with a stop loss above the candle high and keep the trade alive until the first indicator waves the flag in the opposite direction. Or you can just do it as I tell you just before the end of the video, so don't go anywhere, stick around here, you're gonna be surprised. Oh, but we're not stopping there. No predefined take profit here. We're not settling for just a slice of cake. We're riding that trend until the wheels fall off, potentially turning that slice into a whole bakery. And guess what? If the kernel goes bullish and the indicators is singing the same tune, you've got yourself another trading opportunity. Now, I won't lie, it's not all rainbows and unicorns. There will be times when the market throws a curveball. Blame it on the two separate indicators doing a little tango. But hey, let's not forget other strategies in the toolbox. Scalping. Anyone? It's like trading in bit-sized portions, quick and frequent. This time, we're breaking out the Bollinger Bands. Think of them like the sidelines of a tennis court. Previously, I've made a completely dedicated session video about Bollinger Bands, the strategy based on it, and its combination with price action, especially if you're a beginner. I highly recommend to check that video, which I'm going to leave the link both above here and down in the description. First, give Lorentzian classification a breather and add those bands. And let's not forget our friend, the whole moving average. Tweak a few things here and there, and you're in for some speedy trades. It's like being the Flash in the trading world. In a nutshell, today's journey through the AI wonderland shows how these advanced tools can turn you into a market trend whisperer. So go ahead, unleash your inner wizard, and give these strategies the whirl. Trading's a thrilling roller coaster, but safety first, folks. It's not going to be profitable without the proper risk management, which I talked in the beginning of the video. And here's my surprise for you. Previously, I made almost an hour of video completely about proper risk management, how to do your proper position sizing, risk to reward ratio, winning ratio, whatever you need, whether you're a beginner or a pro, but you're kind of confused in between what am I supposed to do? This is probably for you. So give it a try, watch it, you will come back to me and you will thank me without any doubt. Also, if you want to increase your profit factor on the other side of the coin, beside the risk management, I highly recommend to watch this video of the mixture of Fibonacci retracement levels with supply and demand, or let's say price action, and you're going to find it crazy good with any trading strategy. It doesn't matter what trading strategy you're using, what is your indicator, what are you doing. This combination works out on any time frame, any trading strategy, and it's crazy good. I tried it out like thousands of times, and it works out perfectly. These tools are like your trading seatbelt, keeping you secure. If you found this adventure enlightening, throw me a like, share, or subscribe. And if you've got any questions or thoughts, drop a comment below. Until next time, happy trading.
May the market odds be ever in your favor.